Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azhad bin Zulkifli. My metric number is A21A2422. I would like to present my first assignment. It's about the Life company. First, what is management? To achieve a goal, management is the coordination and administration of tasks. These administrative activities include the organization of organizational strategies and coordination of efforts by staff to achieve these goals by using the resources available. According to Cons and Weirich 1997, management is the process of planning and preserving, working together in a group and achieving selected goals effectively. Attainment of organizational goals in a proper manner through planning, organizing, leading and controlling organizational. Management is also the process of planning and organizing the resources and activities of a business to achieve specific goals in the most effective and efficient manner possible. Four functions of management: planning, organizing, leading, controlling. First, planning. Planning includes defining goals, establishing strategy, and developing plans to coordinate activities. Planning is the function of management that involves setting objectives and determining a course of action for achieving those objectives. Planning is very important in an organization or business, whether the superiors or managers in performing an activity in the business. As a planning, the Life is set to venture into Cambodia as brand owner Loop Holding has inked a master franchise agreement with a unit HSC Group of Cambodia to set up 25 T-Life outlets in 5 years. Organizing. Organizing is the function of management that involves developing an organizational structure and allocating human resources to ensure the accomplishment of objectives. Organizing requires a formal structure of authority and the direction and flow of such authority through which work the subdivisions are defined, arranged and coordinated so that each part relates to the other part in a united and coherent manner so as to attain the prescribed objectives. A top manager heads the organization is Brian Lu, who is a CEO and he controls the manager who is also department head, namely financial. Brian Lu will manage or distribute duties based on the abilities and knowledge of employees in areas where they have been skilled in order to achieve organizational goals. For leading, leading is another of the basic functions within the management process. Leading includes motivating employees, directing the activities of others, selecting the most effective communication channel, and resolving conflicts. Leading also needs inspiring and manipulating workers' actions in order to achieve organizational goals. As founder of the T-Life, Brian Lu has amazing modern management skills in operating the company and has made a modern tea culture through honestly teamwork, entrepreneurship, and innovation. Four is controlling. The purpose of controlling is a systematic process of ensuring that the activities of the organization are consistent with expectations in standard planning, targets, and progress. Controlling includes monitoring performance, comparing it with goals, and correcting any significant deviations. For example, Brian Lu monitors his data for every month by checking their profits and makes a compare before and after. By this way, Brian Lu can identify their problems and resolve it on the right time to prevent from mislead his business. Then it is top manager. Brian Lu, who is Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Brian Lu launched his first company at the age of 7. He now has 325 outlets across 7 markets, including the UK, Australia, China, and Vietnam. After graduating from university, Lu noticed that while tea was a popular beverage in Malaysia, trendy cafes were all about coffee. 10 roles top manager performs in organization. Interpersonal roles, figurehead, leader, liaison, informational roles, monitor, disseminator, spokesperson, and decisional roles, entrepreneur, disturbance handler, resource allocator, and negotiator. Interpersonal roles. First, figurehead. With the available authority, the manager performs symbolic duties and represents the organization in a particular ceremony. Performs ceremonial and symbolic duties such as greeting visitors, signing legal documents. For example, Brian Lu has social, ceremonial, and legal responsibilities as a manager. It's expected of Brian Lu to be a source of motivations. People look up to Brian Lu because Brian Lu are a leader and a figurehead. Two is leader. Managers have the responsibility of leading and managing employee behaviors in order to meet the organizational goals. For example, managers can give the train counsel and communicate with subordinates. 3. Liaison. As the manager of the organization, they must perform the functions of motivation, communication, encouraging team spirit at their own company. For example, top manager of Loop Holding is to obtain information related to situations and development of the internal and external environment that can affect an organization by a meeting. Informational roles. Monitor. Managers need to be sensitive to change that occur in the internal and external environment of the organization as well as obtain useful information to improve organizational performance. For example, Brian Lu is constantly monitoring surrounding conditions such as government policy changes and new investment opportunities affecting his organization. Disseminator. The disseminator distributes information collected from either internal or external sources. The manager passes some of his privileged information directly to his subordinates who would otherwise have no access to it. Top manager of Loop Holding can convey the important information obtained to employees. 6. Spokesperson. The manager will be the spokesperson to the work unit them or may be representing the organization in consultation or discussion with the external parties such as customers, suppliers, government, and others. For example, the top manager can brief government officials about the company's latest development or give a more detailed explanation to the customer about our new product. Decisional roles. First, entrepreneur. The manager constantly looks out for new ideas and seeks to improve his unit by adapting it to changing conditions in the environment. Managers also wise to deal with the changes quiet in business continues to survive in the market. Brian Lu introduced Tea Life as a brand that takes tea drinks to a higher level and also applies suggestions for growing customer satisfaction to the Tea Life brand to his own drinks. Disturbance handler. Managers take corrective action to respond to previously unforeseen problems. Disturbance handler role give the manager as the involuntarily responding to pressures. Brian Lu has a cool image and sociable character. He has amazing model of management skills in operating the company. Resource allocator. A manager needs to determine where organizational resources are best used. This involves the allocation of funds, as well as the assignment of staff and other organizational resources. For example, Brian Lu as a top manager allocate resources, time, equipment, and human resources according to priority. Brian Lu has distributed work at one outlet according to the existing skills and expertise of his employees. Then, negotiator. The negotiation role is put in the decisional category because it is resource trading in real time. A manager has to negotiate with others and in the process be able to make decisions about the commitment of organizational resource. The CEO consulted with union representatives. The sales manager consults with the production department to get special offers for its key customers. Why innovation is important to CEO Brian Lu's job? Innovation is a process of taking a creative idea and turning it into a useful product, service, or method of operation. Innovation is also a key to continued success, and we innovate today to secure the future. It can act as a catalyst that can make your business grow and bring more profit. Innovation is important to CEO Brian. Innovation plays an important role in organization success. The CEO Brian Lu always doing the innovation like introduce the new product of their brand. For example, their brand Tea Life. Every year the company introduce the new menu for Tea Life. Until now, over 70 delicious Tea Life drinks on our menu and over 150 outlets in Malaysia. The CEO innovate the menu according to customers' requirements and what the trending now. Innovation can help Brian Lu expand the reach of product market throughout Malaysia through social media. Brian Lu want to give happiness with new addition to customers by showcasing their popular beverage. Lastly, Brian Lu will ensure innovation becomes a part of their organization that will contribute to the success of his company. Explains how technology changed the manager work today. Technology has changed function manager today by making their company process highly integrated and more organized. Technological advances have reshaped organizations to be more organized and systematic, especially applies to small and medium enterprise that are just starting a business. Small business and any other need technology because they are run by a few people. Technology has changed function manager today, which is that working together made easier by change the way business communication. The arrival of smartphone, social networking sites, chat apps, meeting apps has brought communication to a new level. Workers today can engage in other important works outside the office and keep in touch even face-to-face with their colleagues at the office through video chats such as Zoom, Google Meet, Skype, and others. Change in technology has helped managers in cost management. Technology has also changed the way managers work today as it given a subsequent improvement of the efficiency of employees. CEO of Loop Holding, which is Brian Lu, doesn't have to do a lot of work and spend a lot of money in research about making a new flavor since technology in research and development increased. At T-Life, the research and development team is diligently working to produce new goods to be launched 5 times a year. The new offerings were created based on the market analysis and consumers' expectations generated by the loyalty program's big data analytics. So the conclusion, in conclusion, the expansion of globalization in T-Life is hugely successful. Within a short few years after taking over Chatime in rebrand their name to T-Life, T-Life has successfully adapted by local consumers and managed to introduce their business into Vietnam, China, and Australia. T-Life also success in becoming one of the most popular and well-known brands among the community in Malaysia because the management in T-Life is very efficient in all sites which are made a modern tea culture through honestly, teamwork, entrepreneurship, and innovation. So that's all from me. Thank you.